The last known photo of Jesse James 1882, restored and brought to life, the day before he was shot by Robert Ford in 1882. Jesse James had his picture taken by an unknown photographer in St. Joseph, Missouri, and that's all we know for certain about this photo. There is no official name for it, but many have come to call it the last known photo of Jesse James. It's also interesting to note that there are conflicting reports over where exactly it was taken. Some say it was at the home of Jesse James, while others claim it was taken at the home of his close friend and criminal associate, William T. Bloody Bill Anderson. But the truth is, we don't know for sure. All we know for certain is that it was taken just one day before Jesse James was murdered by Robert Ford on April 3, 1882. To make matters even more mysterious, the original negative of the photo turned up missing after the famed outlaw's death. This has led to many people wondering if there could be other pictures out there from that day that remain undiscovered. Could there be photos of Jesse James that we haven't found yet? And what would those photos look like? Could they reveal something shocking that these famous photos don't? Well, only time and future discoveries will tell. So here's the story behind the last known photo of Jesse James, including a restored version of the photo as well as some amazing insights into the hidden scar on his face you won't believe. So stick around until the end of this video. But first, welcome back to the channel. We are fascinated with the strange and mysterious past of the American West, and we love sharing that fascination with you through stories and images that bring that time period to life. Today, we're excited to share with you a newly restored and colorized version of the last known photo of Jesse James, one of the most notorious outlaws of his time. In addition to the photo, we'll be discussing the hidden scar on his face, which adds another layer of intrigue to this already mysterious image. We hope you enjoy learning more about the fascinating life of Jesse James and the secrets his final photograph holds. So sit back, relax, and join us as we explore the untold story behind the last known photos of Jesse James. Jesse James, the legendary outlaw who lived from 1847 to 1882, left a lasting impact on American history. He became infamous for his daring robberies and shootouts with law enforcement officials. Despite his criminal activities, James remains a popular figure in American folklore, and his story continues to captivate people today. One of the most iconic images associated with Jesse James is a photograph taken just one day before his death. The photo shows James wearing a dark suit, a white shirt, and a black tie, standing next to two of his close associates, Frank James and Ed O. The image offers a rare glimpse into the life of an outlaw, and provides a tangible connection to a pivotal moment in history. However, this image is not without its own mysteries. For starters, the identity of the person taking the photo remains unknown. While the photographer's name has been lost to time, their work played a significant role in capturing a key moment in James's life. The photo was taken in St. Joseph, Missouri, a town where James had lived for several years and where he was eventually killed. The location adds another layer of intrigue to the photograph, connecting it to the final chapter of James's life. Another intriguing aspect of the photograph is the presence of the two men standing alongside Jesse James. Frank James, also an outlaw, was Jesse's brother. Together they led a gang of robbers in the Midwest during the 19th century. Ed O'Chelly, on the other hand, was a member of Jesse James's gang. His inclusion in the photograph suggests that it was likely taken during a rare break in their criminal activities. The dynamics between the three men in the photograph are evident, offering a glimpse into their close relationships. However, perhaps the most captivating feature of the photograph is the hidden scar on Jesse James's face. The image shows a man with a bandage covering part of his face, which raises questions about the nature of his injury. Historical records indicate that James sustained the scar in a shootout with law enforcement officials in 1866. The incident left him with a permanent reminder of the dangers of his chosen profession. The presence of the scar in the photograph adds a sense of mystery and intrigue, prompting viewers to consider the events that led to its formation. The discovery and restoration of the photograph have allowed us to gain a deeper understanding of Jesse James's life and legacy. The image offers a rare glimpse into the personal lives of these notorious criminals, humanizing them and providing a more nuanced perspective on their actions. Through the photograph, we can appreciate the skill of the unknown photographer who captured this unique moment in history. It's important to note that the photograph has been the subject of debate and speculation over the years. Some have questioned its authenticity, while others have analyzed it for clues about James's life and death. Regardless of the differing opinions, the photograph remains a captivating image that continues to fascinate people today. As we continue to explore the history of the American West, it's important to examine the lives of those who lived during that time period. The last known photo of Jesse James serves as a reminder of the complexities of the human experience and the enduring legacy of the Old West. By examining the details of this photograph, including the hidden scar on Jesse James's face, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the lives and stories of those who shaped American history. The photograph is not just a relic of the past, but a window into a bygone era that continues to captivate our imaginations. Today, we're excited to share with you a newly restored and colorized version of the last known photo of Jesse James. Our team of experts has used advanced techniques to breathe new life into this historic image, revealing the rich colors and textures of the time period. In addition to the restored photo, we've created a video that takes you behind the scenes of the restoration process. You'll get to see how our team carefully examined the original photograph and used their expertise to bring it to life. The video also explores the hidden scar on Jesse James's face, analyzing its significance and uncovering the story behind it. We hope you enjoy this unique opportunity to see one of the most famous outlaws of the 19th century in a whole new light. The last known photo of Jesse James is a testament to the power of photography to capture moments in time and preserve them for future generations. It's also a reminder of the importance of exploring our history and uncovering the stories of those who came before us. As you gaze upon the restored image of Jesse James and his companions, take a moment to appreciate the skill of the unknown photographer who captured this image and the intricate details that make it so captivating. The photograph is not just a snapshot of three men, but a window into a pivotal moment in American history. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. We're honored to have brought this piece of history to life for you, and we hope it inspires you to learn more about the fascinating stories that have shaped our world. Alright, now it's your turn. What are your thoughts on the last known photo of Jesse James? What do you find most interesting about this historic image? And what other aspects of the American West would you like to see brought to life through our videos? Please feel free to leave your thoughts and comments below. We love hearing from our viewers and we value your feedback. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It really helps us out. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel. We release new videos every week and you won't want to miss out. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. We look forward to seeing you again soon. And hey, if you're still with us, drop a comment below with the words "I love history" and we'll know you made it to the end. Now let's go.